McLean Lightning Protection would like to take a moment of your time to show you how you can protect your home from lightning damage, because lightning is the only act of nature that we can't afford to protect ourselves against. Lightning can strike anywhere, and Central Florida is the lightning capital of the world, causing property damage in the millions of dollars. It's not necessary for lightning to hit a building to actually cause damage. Surges can enter your home via utility, cable, TV, and telephone lines, causing fire, destruction, and even death. But a properly designed and installed lightning protection system is over 99% effective as protection during a lightning storm. This is a Tesla coil that produces about a 12 to 14-inch spark. The spark will jump from a simulated cloud down to the earth. Since we don't have enough voltage or amperage to set fire to these buildings, we're going to put flammable material on this roof. And as lightning strikes this unprotected building, we can immediately see what happens. Lightning is all over the building, sometimes striking here, sometimes striking here. A couple of times it even struck off the edge of the building, showing that lightning is unpredictable. Now we're going to replace the cotton or flammable material on this building and put on a lightning protection system consisting of roof air terminals, conductor cables, and grounds. And now as the lightning strikes, you can see the difference. Lightning always goes to a point or to an air terminal, and through the conductor cable is carried to ground. You might be able in the video to see it grounding there on the one corner. The building is perfectly safe, the people are safe, and the contents are safe. However, without the lightning protection system, again, your lightning is all over the building instantaneously. You might ask, what if I have a tree near my home? Here we have a tree a few feet away from this unprotected house, and as lightning strikes this tree, see what happens? It doesn't always hit the tree. Several strikes hit the tree, several of them flash down on the house. The tree does not protect the house, and the house does not protect the tree. Lightning does not always strike the highest point. In an unprotected home, lightning damage can not only occur on the exterior of the home, but many times damage occurs on the inside. Let's see what happens when lightning hits this unprotected home, where you have a metal countertop and metal parts within. The lightning flashed all over inside the building to the flammable material. When the lightning struck, look what happened. Fire, instantaneous fire. Put a lightning protection system on the same home where we just had the fire, and we will have lightning strike the home again. The building is now perfectly safe. The terminals or points receive the strike, the conductor cables take it to ground. The contents, the people inside, are all safe during the thunderstorm. Our systems can be either concealed or semi-concealed. This is a concealed system which is generally installed during the construction phase of the residence. Upon completion, the only thing visible would be the slender 10-inch inconspicuous air terminal along the ridge of the home. Here we have an example of a semi-concealed system. Although it's installed after construction, the conductors are placed so as to minimize their appearance and provide for a very unobtrusive installation. From the front of the residence, again, the only visible sign is your terminals. Remember, one strike and you could be out.